Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore changing the background of your Google Jamboard frame. If you go up to the very top, you can change the background to your frame. Click on Set Background. The default is just a plain white screen or background, but you can have dots, blue line like line paper, blue line graph, gray graph, blue board, chalkboard, or you can add your own image. All right, so let's say we put on some graph paper. Notice that the graph paper automatically gets sent to the very back of the frame. The background image here is not a layer like these sticky notes are. All right, these will always be on top of the background. It's a background. And one of the reasons you might want to use a background if you're using an image as your background is if you have a lot of stuff on your frame and you don't want to keep it there, a quick way to get rid of it is to just hit clear frame. But if you have a background image that you've only inserted as a regular image, if you click clear frame, it will delete that image as well. But because this graph paper is background image, when I hit clear frame, only the other content on the frame will be cleared. Right? Still have my graph paper, but my sticky notes went away. And I'm going to undo that because I want those to stay there. But that's how you can set the background for a Google Jamboard frame and why you might want to do it.